Hello everyone, Durante here, and I'm making this video to show at least some progress I'm making on some personal stuff. Right now, I'm making some progress with making like a turnaround sheet for my characters and all that. Right now, I have uh the line art, then I have some color so that I can know what color to put on them. I made some changes to the design a bit in but my whole goal is to make a 3D full-on 3D model of everything. I have a After this video, I would show my process on creating everything. I did add some new stuff to it, so it's going to be a little bit different from what was being shown in the video, but overall, my goal is to one day make a full-on 3D model of my character so that I can like you can visually see me move around and stuff like something to the VTubers in a way, but more 3D because that's my whole focus for right now. I'm focusing on more on 2D, 3D of any format I can get my hands on. Eventually, I'm gonna lose access to my Maya software and eventually need to start relearning how to use Blender because I hadn't used it since high school. And I'm talking about like the start of high school, not like the end of high school. Oh boy. In any case, though, I'm just making this video as like a flipping. I'm just doing this because it's a hobby now. In most cases, eventually you'll see a new model of my character. He won't have that weird, creepy teeth stuff going on. But overall, I like to have my current model is. But I am planning on doing more. Like say, if I want to be more 3D oriented, with a little bit of 2D, I need to put in the effort into making it, making it sort of deal. In any case, though, I hope this does you well. I'm hoping, yeah, it is. Okay, it's recording. That's good. May need to remove some stuff. In any case, though, thank you all, whoever sees this, and giving, and those who stay with me, thank you. Man, I cannot be. This is hard. I'm gonna cut this out. Yeah, just keep it. In case though, have a great day, night, whatever. Bye.